Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you to the process of applying for the Roblox UGC User-Generated Content Program. If you're eager to contribute your creative works to the Roblox platform, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the application process seamlessly. So stay tuned for detailed instructions on how to apply for the Roblox UGC program. Now let's get started on your journey to becoming a Roblox content creator. Alright, just a heads up that as of now, UGC applications are currently closed, but when they open again, you will be all set with the knowledge on how to apply seamlessly. Now let's delve into the steps. Alright, so first things first, open your web browser and go to the Roblox UGC program page. Then log in with your Roblox account credentials. Now, familiarize yourself with the guidelines and requirements for the UGC program. Ensure that your content complies with Roblox policies. Then develop the UGC item you want to submit. So this could be hats, accessories, clothing, or other in-game assets. Now, ensure your creations meet the quality standards outlined by Roblox. Then navigate to the create page on Roblox, which is create.roblox.com, and log in if prompt. Now, in the top bar, click on Create to access the creation tools and use the Roblox Studio or other relevant tools to create your UGC asset. Now, once your UGC item is ready, upload it to Roblox using the appropriate upload feature, and then visit the UGC catalog section on the Roblox website and find your submitted UGC item and ensure it's set to public. Then click on your UGC item and find the Submit for Review option, and then just follow any additional instructions or prompts to complete the submission. Now, after submission, your UGC item will undergo review by Roblox, so just monitor your Roblox account and associated email for updates on the review and process. And that's it! When the UGC applications reopen, you will be well prepared to showcase your creativity on Roblox. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.